ASUS unveiled its Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition notebook at CES 2022. The Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition, based on the Zenbook 14 OLED series of compact yet high-performance laptops, takes things to the next level. It has Astro-themed design elements and meets a stringent vibration-resistant standard set by the US Space Systems Command. Above all, it's a capable, attractive laptop with a bright screen that accurately displays color and detail. There isn't another one like it on the planet. Today on Rocket Review, we'll be reviewing the ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition. Don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications if you're new to the channel to receive more videos like this. First, a bit of trivia. The ASUS Zenbook 14X Space Edition commemorates 25 years of an ASUS laptop being sent into space. In 1997, the company launched its first laptop into orbit aboard the Mir space station. The Space Edition, according to ASUS, combines decorative elements from the Russian Mir space station with Morse code writing, which we have translated. The Latin phrase ad astra per aspera is written in Morse characters, dots and dashes, on the Space Edition's lid. This phrase is frequently used by proponents of the space program to mean to the stars through difficulties. P6300 Mir is spelled out in Morse to the right of the touchpad, and ASUS Zenbook is spelled out to the left of the touchpad. Two ASUS Model 6300 laptops spent 600 days aboard Mir in 1998 and are said to have worked flawlessly. However, unlike other codes, Morse's dots and dashes, if not their meaning, are easily recognizable by the general public, and even those unfair with Morse can use a table to translate its characters. The code has an indelible place in communications history, as evidenced by the fact that the doomed RMS Titanic was one of the first to use the SOS distress call. NASA did include grooves in the Curiosity rover's tire treads that spell out JPL in Morse to aid in determining the rover's exact position and motion. The Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition comes with a slew of extras in addition to the laptop itself. There's a laptop stand that also serves as a storage area for your cables, as well as a sticker sheet, a welcome card, and a package from space, which is a silver bubble mailer that holds the rest of the goodies. All of this is contained within a beautiful Space Edition box, which is itself enclosed within a cardboard box with a nylon handle. This, according to ASUS, can also be used as a carry case. The extras aren't as high-end as you might think. The Space Edition, according to ASUS, is inspired by the P6300's legacy, but the accessories don't feel like they do justice to the original machine. This is because they're too inexpensive to display but too costly to discard. For example, the stand is just cardboard and the package from space is just a bubble mailer with Velcro on it, despite its appealing appearance. The wallpaper, which features a black hole as its central image, also employs Morse to form the years 1998 and 2022. Another amusing feature of this wallpaper is that it shows a precise, though unidentified latitude and longitude coordinate: 2707 29.3 north, 121 28 17.3 east. You'll be taken to the ASUS corporate headquarters in Taipei if you type it into the web browser. The silver gray body of the ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition features space-inspired imagery, and these are essentially the Mir station and Morse code patterns. The laptop has a slim design and weighs approximately 1.3 kgs. It has an ergo lift design, which means that when you open the laptop, the chassis lifts up a few inches, allowing the user to type comfortably. It has a 14-inch display that also is touch-enabled. On paper, the screen is an OLED with a resolution of 2880 by 1800, a refresh rate of 90 Hz, and a response time of 0.2 milliseconds. Despite this, the display is bright, smooth, and accurate in terms of color reproduction. It has a 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, which is extremely wide. A secondary display is also located on the laptop's outer lid. It can be customized to show notifications, battery status, and time. This 3.5-inch OLED panel is a fantastic addition that increases the laptop's value. By default, when the lid is open, this screen depicts a row of 3 portal-like windows across which an astronaut is seen to repeatedly tumble left to right against a starry background through which streaks of light, what looks like meteors sometimes, or laser beams, or maybe just some space junk, occasionally zips. The screen briefly alternates between a starburst and a display of the date and time before going black when you close the lid. Customizable messages, themes, and animations can also be displayed on the screen. You can choose from 4 ASUS provided animations, add any text, or use it as a label with a QR code, which ASUS graciously includes a generator for in the My ASUS app. As of now, that's all there is to it as a display, though ASUS stated in a press conference that more features will be added over time. More options for adjusting the length of time the display is active, tools for creating your own animations, and more granular control over animation speed and other features are all likely to be included. Better tools for adding your own images are also something I'd like to see. Any image, including GIFs, can be displayed on the ZenVision display. However, not only must you crop it to a specific resolution, but you must also crop it to a specific aspect ratio. The software is currently not as practical as it could be. ASUS could perhaps update the app with more features in the future, such as a Spotify status indicator or stats for a game you're playing. ASUS says that due to its dual fan cooling system, which incorporates 2 heat pipes, the Space Edition should remain consistently cool. If you're on one of those all too brief suborbital flights, though, you're best leave your laptop at home and look out the window instead. The ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition has a USB Type-C port and a 62WHR lithium polymer battery. When unfolded, the adapter box can also be used as a laptop stand. A 12th generation Alder Lake Intel Core i9 2900H processor with up to 32GB LPDDR5 memory powers the laptop. The storage capacity of the device is 1TB PCIe 4.0x4 NVMe M.2 SSD. Another feature worth mentioning is the laptop's ice-cool thermal technology, which regulates the temperature and prevents it from overheating. If you want to take a commercial space flight or just need a laptop that can withstand extreme temperatures and vibration, the Space Edition has you covered. It meets the US Space Systems Command Standard SMCS 016A testing protocols, which means it can withstand 4 times the standard military-grade durability. Furthermore, it has capabilities that go beyond military-grade capabilities, such as the ability to operate in extreme climates. The Space Edition can operate in temperatures ranging from minus 24 degrees Celsius, that is minus 11 degrees Fahrenheit, to a scorching 61 degrees Celsius, that's 147 degrees Fahrenheit. It has the latest Wi-Fi version 6 with dual band support for a wireless connection. Bluetooth version 5.2 is also available. Multiple ports are available on the ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition. 2 Thunderbolt, 4 USB Type-C ports, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A port, a standard HDMI 2.0 port, and a micro SD card reader are among the features. A 3.5mm audio combo jack is also included. The laptop includes a pair of down-firing speakers, and they get loud. The problem is that they would distort all too often, even at low volumes, and dynamic sources might trigger a nasty compression that would duck the volume. The laptop's keyboard is backlit. For easy access to unlock the laptop, the power button is equipped with a physical fingerprint scanner. The keys are evenly placed and spaced. It comes with a large touchpad that works well. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11. Apart from the aforementioned ruggedization features, the space-themed design elements are purely aesthetic design elements, and this laptop will appeal to space enthusiasts primarily. It's a great laptop that you'll enjoy using. It has a bright and lovely screen, as well as some powerful specifications included. All of this comes along with a mini OLED secondary screen and a good sound system. The laptop itself is what distinguishes the Space Edition from the rest of the line. There are no words to describe how stunning the laptop is, and it more than makes up for the less than premium accessories that are included in the box. The Space Edition will be available in the second quarter of 2022, with pricing and specific configuration to be announced later. It'll be fascinating to see how much you're willing to pay for its cosmic features. Thank you for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button and subscribe. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.